What's going on, guys? I'm Anthony Deceglie with Sandy Hook Yachts. We're here on the 2025 Seafox 368 Commander. I'm with Dan Furnback, one of the owners of Sandy Hook Yachts. Dan, why don't you tell us what your key features are back here on the aft of the 368?
So when we're looking at the 368, we're going to see an enormous cockpit, all different types of functionality. So whether we're fishing or pleasure cruising, it does it all. So we have plenty of seats. We got a nice shade that comes right out with the arms, has a more structural integrity than the traditional sure shade. You could run with it out. Two extremely large live wells. You have fridge, freezers here, pull-out bench seat, and of course, looking at these 400 V10 Verados that pushes the boat upwards of 65 miles an hour.
All right, Dan, so now that we're up at the helm of this 368 Commander, what are some things that, really drive this thing home?
The versatility and the ease of use. So we have triple seats facing forward, and then we're centered when we're driving. So we got a great vantage point looking out. We have no bow rise, which is incredible. This boat's like on plane almost always. So it's like under 2 or 3 seconds, which is incredible. Like I said, I have a family, so my 2 boys get to sit on either side, which is a great feature for us. And then obviously have these big screens, 22-inch Garmin's facing me, kind of articulated in, which really helps reduce the glare.
Yeah, Dan, I noticed another cool feature on this 368 is the Mercury joystick.
Yeah, Mercury has such an advanced joystick. They call it joystick piloting. It has a lot of different features. It's basically your autopilot, as well as has a feature called Skyhook, which is a digital anchoring system. So if you need to put fenders out, or let's say you're by yourself, or waiting for a bridge, and tough to maneuver because there's a lot of people moving back and forth, you get to put the boat neutral, stop the boat, and press the Skyhook button, and all worries are gone.
And hold you in place.
Zach,
That's awesome.
Zach. Anthony, we're up at this big bow. What are some of the features that you like about it?
Yeah, one of my favorite things is the scallop seating up front where me and you are sitting. This is probably the comfiest seat in the house, if you ask me. Especially, you having kids and everything. This feels super safe. It's super deep. You have nothing to worry about with the kids leaning over or anything. That's probably one of my, key takeaways up here. Yeah, again, I'm Anthony Deceglie with Sandy Hook Yachts. Thanks for taking time looking at the 368 Commander with us. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out at sales@sandyhookyachts.com.
We look forward to hearing from you soon.